Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video, we have to see Indian factory makes 6000 syringes per minute. For getting more information, we shall go to the inside the video. I request to all the viewers to kindly watch this video in full. Now we shall go to the inside the video. As India is gearing up to immunize over 30 crore Indians by July with COVID-19 vaccines, efforts are on to stockpile syringes required for the mass immunization plans. Hindustan Syringes and Medical Devices Limited (HMD), one of the largest manufacturers of disposable syringes in the world, is ready to supply 177.6 million auto-disabled AD syringes to the Indian government, said Rajiv Nath, managing director of the firm. The front-runner COVID-19 vaccines being launched in India would need a 0.5 ml AD syringe for intramuscular drug delivery, we are informed. In addition to the annual procurement of 300 to 350 million of these syringes by the Indian government for the UIP Universal Immunization Program, additional orders have been placed on us by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare (MOH) and FW, he said. The estimated demand in India would be around 900 million of different kinds of syringes for just one shot of vaccine, considering 60 to 70% of the country is going to be vaccinated. The number would amplify to 1.8 billion if the vaccine India chooses need 2 shots. The MOH and FW is also in discussion with 2 more suppliers to place additional orders or are seeking to prepone deliveries of already placed orders with them. The Indian factory making 6,000 syringes a minute. Mr. Rajiv Nath, who heads India's largest syringe factory, say he is turning down as many as 40 requests for syringes from across the world. Mr. Nath's Hindustan Syringes and Medical Devices (HMD) is in huge demand now as countries try to ramp up vaccination against COVID-19. The factory is currently producing some 4 million syringes a day, but Mr. Nath says that's still not enough given that the world needs 10 billion syringes to vaccinate just 60% of its population. He hopes that better coordination between the WHO, governments and syringes makers will smooth the way going forward. Hello viewers, I think you like this video. Kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. And also I request to you to kindly subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full.